Here's Uncle Brett trying to get Braden's pajamas on.
Trying to do it fast. Braden, make this good. You don't want me to look bad in front of. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. I got you. We just need to get this one lunch time in here.
What's Fred doing?
Look at that.
Right now, snap him up.
That's the first half. Good luck.
Let's put you up here.
Great. Fred, you're gonna have 5 kids?
Oh, is that the number you're going for? Whoa. 6.
Are you kidding me? You don't need to be snapped up.
You outweigh him by quite a bit.
What's that?
You outweigh him by quite a bit, you know.
You can always just hold down the limbs and do it.
Get out of here. Stop rolling. I got one.
We should have a contest. You need to find another. Did you get them all? No.
I had one of them. I had 2, but I did the wrong one.
Do you need me to help you hold them?
No.
Brayden, who's
That's a
dressing
good
you?
boy. That's a good boy,
You
Brayden.
gotta stay still, because Brett doesn't know how to do it. Uncle Brett's learning.
You can help him
that
put
one
your
on.
socks on. Show him where your socks go.
You want to get your socks on, big guy? Put your socks on?
Like, not really.
Oh, it's okay. You want to put your socks on? TV.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, we're doing it, huh? All right,
Good
go on.
job.
Uncle Brett's getting it. Should have started a timer. And
I don't appreciate
35 minutes later, we've got him dressed.
They're just bonding right now.
Oh, okay. I can hear the bonding. Sounds great.
Let's put this guy on. Is this too? Oh, this is a good one. Alright. Get your one arm through.
Marta. Estes son nuestros in-laws, George and Nina Banks.
Sit. Let's sit on the TV.
You watching the dogs?
Thank you very much. Find the other.
We were over there on business. We stopped in Rome to see Brian. So we got to spend a few days with Annie. Oh, boy, we just loved her immediately.
Thank you.
Couldn't be happier about this.
How did you,
I shouldn't have done that. Shh.
Brayden, do your feet stink? Brayden.
You guys are hilarious.
What is Brett doing to you?
Alright, we're almost there, big guy. my shirt collar. What do you say? Let's put you on the back. Get your legs right in here. Can you sit down? What was that?
Probably should have started with the legs.
Oh, well, thanks for telling me this now, Lori.
No problem. You're almost there.
Yeah.
You know, you just picked a more innovative way to do it.
Well, I don't never done this.
I think you're doing
We're not
really,
having
really
kids,
well.
Lori.
You have to get them up at 3 o'clock in the morning to get them ready for school.
Thanks. Let's get one of this one in here. We're done. Almost. We're almost done. Snap this guy right up here. Get the zipper.
Shoo!
Nice job,
Ta-da! Yay, you're all dressed up!
I dressed you.